So introduce yourself to the board.
Sir, I am Pragyanani Sahu, sir. I have done my masters in social work, sir. I have exposure in child protection and counseling work, and my dream is to become a civil servant now.
Why it is very important to you to join the civil service, not other services?
Yes, sir. Civil service has. It was not initially my childhood aspiration, sir. During my field visits during my post graduation, sir, I gradually developed a connection for the vulnerable society, and now I want to work at the grassroots level and do upliftment of the vulnerable sections of the society, sir.
Okay, you are working as a counselor in NGOs.
Yes, ma'am.
So what qualities do you administer in the public services? See, कौन qualities सेटा अच्छे सेटा तमे public service में लगा
Yes, ma'am. Counseling requires patience, ma'am, and it requires compassion and empathy, sir, which is a very one of the important quality in an administrator, ma'am.
तुम पाखरे कौन एमती क्वालिटीज अच्छे जो कि तुमको गोटे सिविल सर्वेंट भाव में बोर्ड सिलेक्शन कर कौन क्वालिटीज अच्छे
मैम मत लगे मो पाखे पेशेंस अच्छी परसिवरेंस अच्छी मैम जोटा बहुत इंपोर्टेंट एडाप्ट करिया को मल्टीपल सिचुएशन जहाँ मु फेस करी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर जर्नी रे मैम सेटा मत लगे गोटे पावरफुल क्वालिटी मैम
हमर गोटे हॉबी होची क्रिएटिंग होम डेकोर आइटम्स आउट ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल
यस मैम
सो कौन एमती कॉलेज किछि को
यस मैम मैम जमती किसी पुराना पट है माने पेंट करिकी गछ लगेबा हैला मैम कार्डबोर्ड रू किसी ड्रॉ करिकी वॉल हैंगिंग बनेबा एडा सब भल लागे मैम
सो रिसेंटली गवर्नमेंट में बहुत सारा स्टेप्स नोचंती वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट पई इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट पई कौन स्टेप्स नै छन
मैम गोटे वेस्ट टू वेल्थ तो
वेरी गुड
करोछन मैम जोड़ा कि पूरा वेस्ट को हमें रिसाइकल रीयूज करिकी किसी प्रोडक्टिव जिनस बनै परिबा मैम सेटा गोटे मैम ई वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट बाय सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट बाय बहुत सारा रूल्स अच्छे मैम जेमता को सेफ डिस्पोजल हे पारियो मैम सेटा गोटे
अच्छा तुम ऑप्शनल होची सोशियोलॉजी
आगे मैडम
तो सोशियोलॉजी रे माने एबे सोसाइटी रे कोन एमती इश्यूज अछि जोटा बहुत ही अधिक न्यूज रे जाने छी बा तुमको लागु छी केटा बहुत चले छी एबे कोन से किछटा इश्यू
मैम करेंटली जोटा मते टिके बदर करछि मैम जोटा होची स्टूडेंट सुसाइड मैम जोटा एबे हमें देखु जे कोटा रे हैला आईआईटीज रे हैला मैम बहुत बॉडी चलछि मैम सेटा गोटे इश्यू जोटा कि मत लागे साइकोलॉजिकली गोटे इंडिविजुअल रो भी रोची आ सोशियोजेनिक करेंट्स भी रोची सर जोटा सोसाइटी इटसेल्फ भी रेस्पॉन्सिबल मैम जोटा मते एबे पई गोटे मेजर इश्यू लागु छी सोसाइटी रे मैम यूथ सुसाइड मैम
ओके सर
Okay. His name is Pragya.
यस सर
Pragya Rani sir.
यस सर
What does it mean? Pragya Rani means what?
Sir, Pragya means knowledge, sir. Rani means conqueror, sir. So, conqueror of knowledge, sir.
Conqueror of knowledge. Wow.
Yes, sir.
So Pragya Rani, very good, excellent experience you have. What I have seen in the biodata, that you worked also in NGOs, you rendered service for the needy people, needy children,
Yes, sir.
and you have a lot of interest for the society and social works. That's good, nice. My question is that apart from this recent judgment of Supreme Court regarding stray dogs,
Yes, sir.
are you aware of that?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, to make rabies free, sir, they were collecting dogs from the streets, sir, and vaccinating them, and those things were happening, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have the sociology jobs now.
Yes, sir.
What do you think that in recent couple of years, what we see the social disruptions, social disorders, the impact of AI, the impact of artificial intelligence, robotics, and machine learning, and mostly on all sections of the society. And do you think that social stratification, as we read in society, sociology, social stratification, sanskritization, socialization, the process, do you feel that there is an impact of AI on all these things?
Impact of AI on social stratification, sir.
Social stratification, social sanskritization also?
Yes, sir. Firstly, social stratification, sir. I think AI would have an impact on social stratification, sir, as the informal labor would increase, sir, and AI would have an indirect impact on it, sir. And what else you asked, sir? Second.
Socialization and sanskritization.
Yes, sir. Sanskritization. Yes, sir. We would like to adopt the technologies new technologies that AI is creating, sir. That would be the reason, sir.
What do you mean by sanskritization?
Sir, yes, sir.
It's a concept who firstly propagated in India.
Sir, M.N. Srinivas, sir.
What he says?
So Sanskritization is imitating the behavior of upper caste and to get social mobility in the society, sir.
Is it still continuing?
Yes, sir, it is still continuing, sir. We can see it clearly in dominant caste politics, sir, and some, that's sir.
What are the difference between social mobility and social action? Any examples can you give?
So social mobility refers to climbing the ladder in the society from one strata to another, sir.
Right.
That is social mobility, sir. And
Social action.
social action is the actions that an individual actor performs in the society, sir. That is social action, sir.
Right. Okay. Sir, are you aware of Kalinga War?
Yes, sir. Kalinga War, I am aware.
Where it was fought and from which informations we are getting? The sources?
Yes, sir. It was fought in near Daya Nadi, sir.
Dayanadi.
Yes, sir. Bhubaneswar.
What is that? From which information source? What is the main source of information regarding this Kalinga War, the killing of 1 lakh soldiers, all these things? Where this information we corroborate?
Yes, sir. I remember that, but for now I can't recall, sir.
That is Rock Edict 13.
13. Yes,
Where is
sir.
this situated?
Sir, in Udayagiri, sir.
Udayagiri or Dholagiri?
Okay, sir. I am confused, sir.
In fact, it is not in India.
Sir, Pakistan, sir.
It is in Sahabazgari,
Pakistan.
northwest frontier province of India.
Okay, sir.
Why Ashoka fought the Kalinga War here in Odisha, Kalinga, but kept that draw everything, broken 13 kept there in northwest frontier province in Sahabazgari? What is the logic?
Sir, I am not aware of it, sir.
It's because at the time most of the invaders were invading India through the northwest frontier province,
Okay, sir.
and while they're passing through that pass,
Yes, sir.
they must read that entire Shilalik, document 13, where Ashoka is vividly described about his entire attacks and killing of soldiers, all this in Kalinga. So the people will be fear to enter into India. That's why he kept that. That is there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so there's very few things to history.
Yes, sir.
What, are you aware about the Prajamandala movement?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, it was the agitation of people against the princely state people against the rulers, sir, against their tyranny that they were facing at that time, sir.
Okay, basically you are from Bhubaneswar,
Khordha, sir.
Khordha.
Okay.
So can you tell me that there are 3 most important religions are surrounding your district Khordha from 3 corners? What are the 3 religions?
I didn't get the question, sir.
There are 3 important religion sects.
Yes, sir.
The Bhubaneswar is surrounded by 3 religion sects, monuments. What is that?
Okay, sir. The golden triangle, sir, you are asking about?
That's what you are talking about Lalitagiri Ratnagiri. I am not talking that. I am talking about the Jainism, Buddhism and Shaivism.
Okay, sir.
What are those temples,
Mm,
historical monuments?
sir, Shaivism is Lingaraj temple, sir. Buddhism, sir, we have it in Dhauligiri, sir. And Jainism,
Khandagiri.
Khandagiri, sir.
Sir.
Doctor, have you heard about partial euthanasia?
Yes, I have.
What is that?
Sir, it's the taking away the life support from a person who has been suffering from who has been on life support for long, sir, to provide.
Is it required right now?
Sir, recently a case have been for the first time we have experienced passive euthanasia in India, sir. In certain cases, I feel it's required when someone is for long time under life support, sir. In that case, sir, it is required.
Okay, can you describe the perennial problem in Manipur, demographic problem in Manipur? What is the main issue there?
Sir, the ethnic violence is going on, sir. That is one of the major issues, sir. That is, I can recall.
Achha. Ethnic violence between which 2 groups?
So there are 2 groups in the Nagas and
Okay.
Kukis, sir.
Okay, जो community.
They are not Nagas.
Nagas.
Kukis and Meiteis.
Kukis and Meiteis, okay, sir.
One group is traditional tribes there.
Okay, and Jo community and your Mighty
Meiteis.
community.
সেটা টিকে ভালো দেখো যেতে ডেমো যেতে তবে সোশ্যালজি অপশনাল ଥିଲା
Again, sir.
তো গ্রাজুয়েশন সোশ্যালজি
No, sir. Chemistry.
কেমিস্ট্রি আচ্ছা মাস্টার্স তারপরে
No, sir.
মাস্টার যেতে সোশ্যালজি অপশনাল ଥିଲା
Again, sir.
এমএসডব্লিউ
Again, sir.
আচ্ছা ତାହେଲେ MSW ମାନେ ତ ନିହାତି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିବେ ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଡେମୋଗ୍ରାଫିକ୍ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ ହେଲା କିମ୍ବା ଏଇ ଟାଇପ୍ର
ମବ୍ ଲିଞ୍ଚିଂ
ହଁ
ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ
Community
ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧାରେ ଏବେ ଜଷ୍ଟ
problem.
ହେଇଛି ମବ୍ ଲିଞ୍ଚିଂ ସେ ଉପରେ ଟିକେ ଟିକେ ଆୱାର ନେଇଯିବ
ହଁ।
ତମେ କଣ ସେ ସିଚୁଏସନରେ କରିଥାନ୍ତ ତମର
ପୁରା
ବହୁତ ଭଲ
ଲମ୍ବେଇକି
ଅଛି
କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
ହଁ।
ସର୍ଟ କରିକି କହିବ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି
କିନ୍ତୁ ତମର ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ଟକିଂ ବଢିଆ ଅଛି
ହଁ।
ଟିପ୍ସ ବଢିଆ ଅଛି ଆଣ୍ଡ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି କଲ ବଢିଆ ହେଲା କାମ୍ ରହୁଛ ଟିକେ ଜଷ୍ଟ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ ଟିକେ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ ରହିବ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରିବ ଟିକେ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ ରହିବା
ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ ଜାଣିଛ
ହଁ
ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ କ'ଣ
Maybe it's the to smile according to the demand of the situation maybe sir.
ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ ହଁ ଯେଉଁମାନେ ମାର୍କେଟିଂ ପିପୁଲ୍ ମାନେ
ଟିକେ ମାନେ
Hospitality ରେ ଯୋଉ
MR
ଜଷ୍ଟ
ମାନେ
ନର୍ମାଲ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍
ମେଡିସିନ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେଟିଭ୍ ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ଆଡପ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତି ହଁ ଆମେ ଜାଣିଥାଉ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ କ'ଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ତଥାପି ଟିକେ ଆଡପ୍ଟ କରିବ ହଁ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ଟା ମୁଁ ଏଇଥିପାଇଁ କହିଲି ଯେ ଟିକେ ମାନେ ଅଛି ବେଳେବେଳେ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ଟା ହେଉଛି ବେଳେ ମନେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲେ ପୁଣି ଟିକେ ପୁରା ଗ୍ରେଭ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି
ନାଇଁ sir.
ହଁ ଟିକେ ସେମିତି କରିବ ଆଉ ଡ୍ରେସ୍ କ'ଣ ପିନ୍ଧିକି ଯିବ
Sir ଶାଢ଼ୀ sir.
ଶାଢ଼ୀ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ଆମର ଟ୍ରାଡିସନାଲ୍ ଶାଢ଼ୀ ଯାହା ଅଛି ତ ସମ୍ବଲପୁରୀ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ଲାଇଟ୍ କଲର୍ ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ଡିପ୍ କଲର୍ ପିନ୍ଧିବନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ଆଉ ଶାଢ଼ୀର ବର୍ଡ଼ରଟା ଯାହା ଥିବ ଧର ମେରୁନ୍ ଯିବ ତାକୁ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ କରି ଟିପାଟା ପିନ୍ଧିବ
ଆଚ୍ଛା okay sir.
ଟିପା ପିନ୍ଧିବ ଶାଢ଼ୀ ପିନ୍ଧିଲେ ଟିପା ମଷ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ବିନା ଆଉ କାନରେ ଯାହା ହେଲେ ଛୋଟ କାନ ଫୁଲ କିଛି ଲଗେଇବ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କାରଣ ଯେହେତୁ କାନ ଫୋଡ଼େଇଛ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
କାନ ଫୁଲ ଲଗେଇବ ଟିପାଟା ଲଗେଇବ ସେଟା ନହେଲେ ମିସମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଲାଗିବ ବୁଝିହେଉଛି ଯେମିତି ଜିନ୍ସରେ ମେଞ୍ଚେ ଚୁଡ଼ି ଲଗେଇଥାନ୍ତି ନ୍ୟୁଲି ମ୍ୟାରେଡ୍ ଭାରି ମିସମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଲାଗେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ନର୍ଥରେ ଜିନ୍ସ ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବେ ବୁଲି ଯାଇଥିବେ
ପଞ୍ଜାବିଜ୍ ମାନେ
ହଁ ଏତେ ଚୁଡ଼ି ପିନ୍ଧିଥିବେ ଭିତରେ ସେଇଟା ମିସମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଲାଗେ ସେମିତି ଶାଢ଼ୀରେ ମିସମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଲାଗିବ ଯଦି ନ ପିନ୍ଧିବେ ନା କାନ ଫୁଲଟା ଆଉ ଚୁଟିଟା ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟାଇଲଟା ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେବ
ଆଚ୍ଛା okay sir.
ତ ମାନେ ଟିକେ ମାନେ ଲାଗିବ ଟିକେ ମାନେ ଖୁସି ଖସଖସିଆ ଭଳିଆ ସେଇଟା
ମାନେ ଲାଗୁଛି କି ମାନେ କଣ କହିଲ ତମେ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସରେ ବହୁତ ଅଛ ବୋଲି ଆମକୁ ସେଟା ଜଣେଇବାର ନାହିଁ ଆମ ପର୍ସନାଲ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଆଣ୍ଡ ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲ ସେଇ ସ୍ପିୟର ଦିଟାକୁ ଅଲଗା ରଖିବ ଆଉ ସେଇଟା ହିଁ ସିଭିଲ ସର୍ଭିସର ମୋଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ଦରକାର ଏଇଟା ହିଁ ବଡ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଆଉ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ହିଁ ପର୍ସନାଲିଟି ଟେଷ୍ଟ ହଉଛି ତୁମଠୁ ବି ଆହୁରି ବଡ ବଡ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ଥିବ ବଟ୍ ସେଇଠି ଯୋଉ ମୁଁ ସାର୍ ଯେମିତି କହିଲେ ପ୍ଲାଷ୍ଟିକ ସ୍ମାଇଲ୍ ଦରକାର ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ନିଡ୍ ଟୁ ବି ଦେୟର ଆଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ବଢିଆ କହୁଛ ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ଟକିଂ ବଢିଆ ଅଛି ଜଷ୍ଟ ତମ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ନଲେଜ ଟିକେ ନବ ଆଣ୍ଡ କଣ ତମେ ଯେହେତୁ ଅପସନାଲ ଥିଲା ଏଇଟା ଆଉ ତମେ
ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି ହଁ
ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି
ସୋସିଓଲୋଜିରେ ପ୍ରାୟ କିଛି ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି
ହଁ
ଆଉ ଅଲଗା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ତମେ ଟିକେ ଖାଲି ଇଏଟା ଦେଖିଦେବ ଆମେ କାରଣ ଆମେ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଆଫେୟାର ଆଉ ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟ ସେଟାକୁ ଯାଇନି ରିସେଣ୍ଟଲି ଇଲେକ୍ସନ କଭର ହେଲା SIR ଅଛି ସେନ୍ସସ୍ ଅଛି ସେ ଟିକେ 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 ଦେଖିଦେବ ଚୁମ୍ବକର ପଛେ ବେସିକ୍ ଜିନିଷ ଆଟଲିଷ୍ଟ 3 ମାର୍କ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲା ଭଳିଆ 2-3ଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ ଭଳିଆ ଲମ୍ବେଇବନି ବେଶୀ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କରି ସେତିକିରେ କରିକି ସାରିବେ ଆଉ ଧର ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇଭେଣ୍ଟରେ ଧର ଜିଓ ପଲିଟିକ୍ସରେ କ'ଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ହେଉଛି କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ସେ ବେସିକ୍ ଇଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ କିଛି ଜିନିଷ
କ୍ରାଇସିସ୍ ଗୁଡାକ ଟିକେ
ହଁ
ୱାର
ଟିକେ ଇଏ
ସିଚୁଏସନ
କରିବ
ଅଲ୍ ଓଭର ୱାର୍ଲଡ କଣ ଚାଲିଛି କୋଉ ୱାର୍ସ କଣ ସେଇଟା ଟିକେ ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରେ ତାର ଇମ୍ପାକ୍ଟ କଣ ଆଉ ସପ୍ଲାଇ ଚେନ୍ ରେଜିଲେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉଟା ଚାଲିଛି
ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି ଭଲ ହେଇଥିଲା ତ
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ଭଲ ମାର୍କ ବି ଆସିଥିବ GS ବି ଭଲ ହେଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir exam ଭଲ ହେଇଥିଲା.
GS ସୋସିଓଲୋଜି ଭଲ ହେଇଛି ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଟିକେ ଜଷ୍ଟ
ଏଇଟା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ
ନା ଏଟା ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟରେ କେତେ ମାର୍କ ଥିଲା
155 ଥିଲା ma'am.
ଭଲ ମାର୍କ
ଭଲ ଥିଲା
155 ଭଲ ମାର୍କ
This is your second interview and second attempt,
No sir third.
third attempt. So, तुम मैंने BN कॉलेज स्टूडेंट
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ओके फाइनली MA फ्रॉम इटी BJP कॉलेज ଆଉ ଏଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ହବିଜରେ କୁକିଂ ସର୍ଭିଂ କ୍ରିଏଟିଂ ହୋମ୍ ଡେକର ଆଇଟମ୍ ଆଉଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ୱେଷ୍ଟ ମେଟେରିଆଲ ମୁଁ ଆଜି ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ୱାନ୍ ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ଆପିଲିଂ ଦେନ୍ ଦି ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ୱାନ୍
sir ସେଟା ଆଗକୁ ରଖିଦେବି sir.
yeah keep this one creating home decor items out of waste material that's okay cooking serving that old traditional pattern everybody is reciting the same thing so don't but I feel that
କୁକିଂ ବିଷୟରେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର
very they will ask lot of cross questions on that
କ୍ରସ୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିବେ
and ବାକି ରହିଲା international issues ଗୁଡ଼ା ମୁଁ କିଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ପଚାରିନି international issues ଗୁଡ଼ା ସାର୍ଚ କରିଲି ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଇରାନ and US that drama is going on and about the Bangladesh issues about the infiltrations labor issues ଏଇସବୁ କିଛି କିଛି ରହିଲା ବାକି ଓଡ଼ିଶା କଲଚର ଉପରେ ନିଜର ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଜିଲ୍ଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir.
ये बिल मैंने खुदा रहे रोहू चोपड़ा पे
ଆଜ୍ଞା